Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study chemistry, easy method. Begin by defining a clear topic and one measurable goal for each week. Then select one reliable textbook and 2 short videos to match that goal. And finally, design 3 focused practice questions per day to lock in concepts and identify weak spots that need review. Start with a handful of core concepts and make simple connections between them using diagrams and short equations. Then practice translating words into formulas and back again to deepen understanding. And finally, teach one idea aloud each day to cement memory. This 3-step loop: visualize, practice, teach. Keep study sessions active, efficient, and surprisingly enjoyable. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more study shortcuts. And quick recommendation: I love these socks. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. And if that was helpful, now let's get back to the video. Focus on problems and immediate feedback rather than passive review, alternating between short timed drills and slower deep practice. Then log errors and create tiny micro lessons to eliminate repeated mistakes. And use spaced repetition to revisit topics at increasing intervals, so retention grows steadily over weeks without long cramming sessions or burnout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.